everybody, welcome to my channel Humblehus. This is going to be a quick video. I just wanted to show you a border that you can use on so many of your projects such as beanies or blankets. So this time I am adding that border to this little beanie. I have my hook, the one that I used to make this little beanie. So I can't even tell you what size to use because I don't know what project you're doing this on. And here's some of the rest that I have from this yarn, which is by Karen Latte Cakes by Yarnspiration. So find your starting point on your project, whether it's your blanket or wherever you want to start. This stitch is in multiples of 3s, but crochet is so forgiving that even if you don't have the multiples of 3 on that last stitch, for each stitch you have to skip 2. So if on that last one you only skip 1, you'll be fine. It will still look fantastic. Okay, you're going to insert your hook through wherever you're starting, and you're going to pull. You're going to make a little loop with that yarn, and you're going to pull it through. Now you chain 1, so yarn over, pull through the loop. That's your first chain. Now into that same stitch you're going to do 1 single crochet. So insert your hook, and I'm going to run along this loose end so that I don't have to thread it in later. And now yarn over, pull up a loop. There's 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. If you have a stitch marker, you can always add it here. A stitch marker or a paper clip if you like. It's chain 3 now. 1, 2, and 3. And into that same stitch where you did that single crochet, you are going to do a double crochet 2 together. Okay, let me show you how that works. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, kind of let it loose on your hook. So there should be 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now repeat. Yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, sort of loosely, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. All right, now you have these 3 loops left. Yarn over, pull through all 3. You're going to skip the next 2 stitches. So there's my next one. So that's 1, 2, and I'm working into this 3rd one. So insert your hook. I'm going to keep running this along. Remember the loose end that I don't want to thread in. All right, and yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So that is your single crochet, just like you did here when we first started. And we repeat. Yarn over and make a chain, yarn over, make a 2nd chain, yarn over, make a 3rd chain. Into that same stitch right here, we do 2 double crochets together. So you saw yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop that is sort of loose, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now make sure that these are sort of loose, otherwise this little rim is going to look very, very tight, very pulled together. Now I'm going to skip the next stitch and the next one, so skipping 2 stitches. And on that third one, obviously I don't know what your project looks like, so I have the 2 loops that I'm going through of each stitch. Now I'm going to repeat the single crochet, chain 3, and double crochet 2 together. And that is your pattern for this border. Don't forget to skip those 2 stitches in between and go all the way around or across, depending on what you have and what you're making. It would even look so cute on a sweater, now that I'm thinking about it. Like for a little girl, the bottom of the sweater, that would look cute. Okay, now I wanted to show you what I mean by if you don't have multiples of 3s, then it's okay. I mean, unless you're a perfectionist, then it's not okay. But for this type of beanie, it's fine. I've reached this last stitch. I've done that last stitch and I only have 2 stitches left. So obviously I'm missing 1. So instead of skipping 2 after doing, you know, the stitch, the 2 double crochets, I'm only going to skip 1 and do the single crochet into this last stitch. And there you have it. That's fine. Now I am going to close off this border right here on that first single crochet that we made when we started. I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull that loop through the one that is on my hook. So a little slip stitch. Now I can cut this off. I'm going to yarn over again, pull it through that loop. And there. It's perfect. Now all we do is thread it in. Here's my yarn needle. And I just go into different stitches, back and forth, and thread in that loose end. And that is all there is to this little border. This beanie looks so adorable. I'm going to put one more knot in here. Cut this off. And voila. Isn't it so cute? I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram at Humblehus. Tag me with your work. I love to see what you're making. Until next time, this is Humblehus. Bye.